Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a sit down chit chat. Get ready with me. We're going to get super personal, talk about what's going on in the past couple of weeks. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button to be notified every Thursday and Sunday that I upload. Let's get started. Get a sip. I freaking love this. What is it called? A Shirley Temple? Is that what it is? This is a half and half iced strawberry lemonade by Arizona. Not sponsored. We are on day, not even counting. Hair has grown out. This is looking a damn mess. I hate when my roots show, especially this much. This much hair has grown. But we could be in worse conditions, so not complaining. Do I need a hairspray my hair? I feel like this is gonna annoy me the whole entire video. Yeah, we need a hairspray. Better. Today's video, I just wanted to put my hair up, put on some makeup for my bed, just so I could lay in it and watch Netflix. And I didn't want to do like a cooking video or a vlog. I just kind of wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about what has been going on. Not like well, kind of about Corona, but not really. More of like my personal life. Nothing bad or anything. I just like to talk to people, and you are my people. You are my everything. You guys mean the world to me, and I don't stress that enough. And thank you guys enough for watching me and just vibing with every video I come out with. Well, first thing I'm going to talk about is there's going to be more than just videos coming out. By the way, before I get into that, we're just gonna do like a classic glam look today. So if you guys remember, I talked about this just a little, that I'm working on something. I've been working on this something for a minute now, and I was supposed to release it in like April, and then Corona came around and said, bitch, it's Corona time, so I had to postpone everything. I am not yet going to tell you guys what I'm releasing, but if you guys want to start guessing in the comments about what I'm going to be releasing, I haven't told anybody about it, just because I'm that type of person that will do something and then I'll talk about it. I won't start talking about it early. The only people that know are obviously my family. Not even all, honestly, because I mean, do dads count? Like, they don't even know what's going on. What is a YouTube? Out of family, my mother knows, my fiance, of course. That's pretty much it. But I've been working on this for a minute now. I think you guys are going to love it because it's made by yours truly. Just don't forget to subscribe so you can know exactly what I'm talking about. I think it's time, y'all. I think it's time. I think I want to release it sometime in June. I literally have been saying I'm going to release in January, then February, then March, then April, and now it's June, and I'm annoyed. I think I want to release it in June because actually I'm not going to say anything. Let me just share a funny story real quick. Speaking of Miss Rona, I went to the bank the other day and I was standing in line, and was it the teller? No. It was like one of the people that sit down in those tables. They were helping everybody out in the line, asking, why are you standing in line? What can we help you with? Is there something you can do over the ATM? I think they were just trying to have people who can do shit through the ATM not stand in line, because it takes over, you know, the capacity of the bank. There were literally like 4 people. The bank was about to close, and I decided to go at that time because I passed by earlier and there were like 30 people in line. I was like, there's no way. You guys, I'm standing in line. First of all, whatever I went in for was obviously something that cannot be done through ATM. That lady goes, excuse me, to the guy in back of me, and he goes, huh? What? And she goes, how can I help you? What are you in for? Type of situation. And he's like, oh, I have to deposit a check. And in my head, I'm like, is this guy dumb? Like, go to the ATM. What are you standing in line for? Whatever. None of my business though. And she says that, like, she literally says what I was thinking, like, oh, sir, you know, that could be done through the ATM. This guy goes, well, how is the ATM supposed to know how much money I'm depositing? I was like, there's no way. And the worker goes, oh, trust me, the machine knows. And he goes, how is the machine supposed to know? Like, what if I'm depositing $50,000? It's gonna say like, oh, it's $50,000? And I was thinking to myself, First of all, welcome to 2020 when there's robots that can do your surgery and you're questioning the freaking ATM that's gonna take your check and deposit it into your account. Like, oh my God. Then again, you know, older generation, they're not too tech savvy. I'm the type of person who, I should be doing my makeup. I'm the type of person that whatever, it doesn't matter what age I am, I'm the type of person that will want to know, like, oh, how does it work? Let's do it. Not, oh, kind of like old school mentality, like, oh, back in my day. Hello, you're in 2020 and you're questioning the damn ATM machine? Like, come on. But the point that he waited that long in line to deposit a check that could have been done, whatever, in the ATM. But you guys are catching my drift, right? I was literally flabbergasted by what this guy said. And then I come home and I tell my dad and he's like, well, I do the same thing. I'm like, you guys are just weird creatures. Come on. He's like, I don't know, ATM, this. Like, bruh, what do you mean? I mean, I get it. People are older, but then there are some freaking older tech savvy people that know exactly what's going on around the world, including ATM machines. I thought that was freaking hilarious. What have you guys been doing, huh? What have you guys been doing? Tell me about your lives. A lot of people ask me how I am keeping up with this energy, this positive energy throughout this pandemic. And it's like, I mean, you should be like this all the time. Not just because some people say the world is ending. Come on. It doesn't matter what's going on around the world. You have to keep your energy nice and positive. Your energy is what reflects off of you, okay? And I am like the most positive person you'll meet in your entire existence. I see the positive out of everything. Even this ATM guy, like, maybe he doesn't know how to press the buttons, but you gotta make the best out of it. It's all in your hand and your head. You're in control. Don't think that like, oh my God, I'm going crazy. No, you're telling yourself you're going crazy. That's why you're feeling that way. But if you're like, I'm chilling, let me get a nice margarita or a glass of wine, watch my show, maybe organize my closet that I've been putting to the side for a minute. You just have to keep busy, keep positive. And it's not always about, I read this quote the other day, which is like facts to me in my life. Being positive is not about being happy 24/7, but it's about knowing that there's a better future and a better outcome. There's that. Keep your energy high, y'all. And if you really get bored, open up TikTok. I will promise you, hours will fly by. Speaking of TikTok, I'm gonna do some after this. As much as this year has been so bad, I am going to be starting a lot of new things this year. One being I'm gonna release something. Another thing being I'm going to completely change my equipment. We are gonna be updated, new lighting, I think I'm gonna get like a new background. I think this has to go. It's just gonna be a lot of new beginnings, which I'm very excited for. You guys, all I've been hearing this whole ass quarantine are different conspiracy theories from my family. I don't know about you guys, but I'm Armenian. Okay, let's start there. That means whatever goes on in life, Armenians aren't the type to be like, oh yeah, whatever the news is saying, okay, yeah, that's what's going on. Like, they start thinking deeper, way deeper, like, oh, this connected to that, and this is gonna happen, and this is gonna do this, and yo, I've been hearing conspiracy theories like Shane Dawson has to just enter the chat room of one of our Armenian families and he will be mind blown. I mean, the conspiracy theories, you guys, about this whole situation has been gnarly. It's a weird time. A weird time that I feel like is gonna be a start of many different lifestyle changes. I don't know. I feel like people are gonna be more cautious. I feel like when people lift up the mask requirements, I feel some people will still show up in masks. Oh, something I want to do that I've been wanting to do for a minute now is do a drag tutorial. I've always wanted to do drag, always. And I admire the drag community. I mean, these people are just talented and absolutely stunning. Add on some wing liner. I haven't done that in a minute. Of course, my simple look turned into a dramatic liner. I mean, would this be a video of mine if something wasn't dramatic? Come on. I'm putting on Spellbound lashes by House of Lashes. I love these lashes. They're super on like the simple side, but wispy cuteness. That's how to describe it. Look how cute. Simple, but cute. You know what I noticed the other day? Somebody told me, do you notice how little selfies are now? Like, you don't see people posting selfies anymore because everybody's like on the back burner of nails, hair, makeup, lashes are on. Oh my god, I just touched my face. I'm pissed. Okay, because as you guys know from a couple videos ago, I waxed my face and I said so many times that, oh, I don't break out when I wax. I freaking broke out. My skin has never been so bad. People are probably gonna be like, bitch, shut up. Your skin looks like how mine does every day. But for me, it's not normal. I didn't know what to do when I broke out. I was like, so now what? Like, what do I do? How do I get rid of it? And usually, if I get like a pimple or something, I always put makeup on it, like concealer or foundation, it dries it up. So, I should be doing my makeup more often to dry up this disaster. Let's see, cover these bad boys up. Oh my god, it feels so good to have full glam on. I feel like myself again. And my neck. I broke out on my neck too because I waxed my neck. Do you guys ever have those days where you haven't done your makeup in a while and then you do it and it's so good? That's how I feel like today, right now. Have you guys seen that one TikTok where it's like, I go through all of this, put all this makeup on to get 17 likes? It's literally me. Story of my life. Oh god, I'm getting throwbacks of my freaking red light challenge. If you guys haven't watched that, I will link that down below. I did my makeup in red light, which means like every color you see is like gray, like different shades of gray. So I was doing my makeup and not knowing, like I couldn't see anything. Not to even begin with how blind I am, but that just made things 10 times harder. Link that down below. See, one thing I'm thankful about during this quarantine is that my eyebrows don't grow. Sometimes they'll need like a trim. Hair grows everywhere else but my brows, so I don't need a brow lady ever. I'm my own brow lady always. I've got my brows done twice in my entire life. First time was when I was bridesmaid and I had to do like a smoky look and the makeup artist was like, I'm gonna wax your brows. That's when I had my first eyebrows done. And then I had one done when I was like, I want to say maybe 18. I tried it out. I don't know. I didn't really like it. I just do it myself and that's it. So I started watching Ozark and I actually really like it. I was getting mixed feelings from people, but I started it and I like it. During this break, I have so many shows to watch. What is it called? Peaky Blinders or something like that? Peaky Blinders. I've never watched Gossip Girl. I've never watched Grey's Anatomy. I've never watched Clueless. And there's a lot of documentaries coming out. That's my shit. Like, this is why I don't get caught up in shows as often because one, they take forever to finish and I'm a binge watcher. I can't like watch something and then be like, okay, I'll watch episode 2 maybe next week. Like, no, it's like 7 episodes a day. I'm kind of sick when it comes to shows. But one show I started just recently, finished it in like, I don't know, maybe 3 days. Little Fires Everywhere on Hulu. Oh my god. That is a good show. I like that show a lot. Ooh, blush. Oh my goodness. Don't we love a good highlight? Like, damn. Wowzers. That's some good shit. That's some good shit. Okay, I put some mascara on. It's coming together. I'm gonna put on my favorite liner. This is NYX Natural. Overline real quick. That's my secret. Just overline and contour. I'm not gonna contour today, but overline your lips and they will look bigger. And wear gloss. They'll look bigger that way too. People always ask if I get my lips done, and I don't. They're my 100% natural lips. Just overline them babies. I have a natural pout. Whenever I didn't have my nose done, my lips never appeared because my nose was so low. But now that your girl is snatched, my lips appear much bigger. I actually had some questions like, you got your lips injected, right? Whenever you did your surgery. I was like, oh, hell no. You guys know I'm upfront and honest about anything and everything. I have no reason to hide anything. I'm just that type of person. Like, I'm not secretive at all. I'll tell you all the juice in ways that you can do it too, but these are my lips. Like, my surgeon even like checked my lips because the nurses thought they were fake as well. They told me that after my surgery. I was like, what else did you touch? Let's put on some good old Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is my shit. It's so good. And it smells so good. What does it smell like? It smells like a candy, like a memory. A memory from my past. That's what it smells like. I can't put 2 and 2 together though. What does this taste like? It smells like a lollipop. A lollipop. Hold on, let's use some context clues. I will look up the scent later. But it smells like something in specific. You know what I mean? And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat. Sit down, get ready with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.